Alright, so here are those lilies again. They're actually starting to bloom. They've grown really tall. I'm wondering if perhaps I didn't plant them deep enough. They've gotten really tall. And of course the hydrangea is blooming. And my rose bush is happy. And my husband started filling up the garden bed with compost and cut up leaves. So we'll be planting in that soon enough. Then my azalea bush is getting all big. And the sago palm is still happy. These are my calla lilies, as you can see. It must have been a lily mix in that box that I got from Sam's. This is a hydrangea bush. It's trying to bloom. It's all big and lush and green. There goes some more of those peace lilies. That's that snake plant that I transplanted outside. That's a yellow lantana. And some happy caterpillars eating away at my plant. That's my pink lantana. It's blooming everywhere. Look at that. Beautiful. And my two ferns are steadily coming back. Getting all bushy again. Then that's my asparagus. We don't really eat asparagus, but since I grew it from seed, I really hated to take it down, you know. And it took its time to grow. That's not right. Kill a living plant. This, you guys, I have no idea. I think I planted some sunflower seeds, but as you can see, a caterpillar has gotten to it. And looks like weeds have grown in. I'm going to have to pull those up. These are watermelon seeds that I planted. Those are those tomato seeds I planted. And some of the plants that I transplanted outside, some of them made it, some of them didn't. That kind of looks like parsley. There's some more tomato seeds. It looks like some greens that I transplanted. That's that succulent that I transplanted outdoors. And that's my vine plant. It hadn't started blooming yet, but once it does, ooh, the hummingbirds love it. Here's some more of those seeds I transplanted. Some of them look like weeds. I think they are some. Some of them are weeds. I'm gonna have to pull them out. Then my gladiolas, they haven't started blooming yet. And the lemon trees, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then my amaryllises. I forgot what that one's called. Apologies. And my rose bushes, the ones that survived. Some more gladiolas. And those are my hyacinths dying back. And that's a new pot that I bought. I'm going to plant something in it. I got some seeds in the house. But that's the patio garden. The Lord reminded me what this is called. This is called a bromeliad. A lady at my job gave it to me. Initially, it was just one plant. And then when I put it in this massive pot, it created like 4 babies on the side. It has not rebloomed yet. It only created the 4 babies. So like that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. The 4th one is on the side, and then that's the main one in the middle, bromeliad.